In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display tasks on your calendar using your own date fields, so you can plan around things like published dates, client reviews, or internal milestones without changing your standard start or due dates. First, head into your workspace. Open the space, folder, or list where your tasks live. The calendar will pull tasks from whatever level you're currently viewing, so choose the location that makes the most sense for your planning. Next, click on Calendar. This opens the calendar view so you can see tasks laid out by date. If your tasks already have start or due dates, you'll see them appear automatically. Think of this as your baseline view before bringing in any custom dates. Now, click on Calendar again to reveal the View menu. This is a quick way to access settings for the specific calendar you're looking at. It's helpful because everything you change here affects only this view, keeping other views intact. From the menu, click on Customize View. This panel controls how tasks appear and what information the calendar uses to place them. You'll use it whenever you need to fine-tune the way your team sees and organizes work on the calendar. In the customization options, click on Task Dates. This is the key section. By default, the calendar relies on start date and due date. But here, you can tell ClickUp to use another date field to position tasks perfect for workflows that track multiple timelines. Finally, click on Add Custom Field and add yours. Make sure the field you create is a date-type custom field so the calendar can recognize it. Give it a clear, descriptive name, like Publish Date or Review Deadline, so your team understands exactly what it represents. Once added, that custom date will be available in Task Dates, allowing the calendar to place tasks based on that specific field. If your field supports a single date or a range, choose the option that matches how you plan your work. A few best practices as you wrap up. Keep naming consistent so teammates know which date drives scheduling. Use the custom date only for its intended purpose to avoid confusion. And remember, these settings apply to the current view, which is great for creating dedicated calendars for different timelines without disrupting other teams. That's it. Your calendar now supports custom dates, giving you flexible, focused scheduling tailored to your workflow.